Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. They're going to give you a quick first look at a big security package here which we've just got from Simplisafe, and the box is pretty large, but we have it in view here. So first of all, you're going to get a let's get started presentation here. So you'll get a big sign if you want to stick it in your garden, wherever the case may be. You'll get a setup guide, and you also get some stickers, and you get some pads. These will be for your entry points. So I'm going to pop all of that off to one side, and that's the contents in the box there. So we're just going to pull it all out here individually now, and then we'll go through them and get this box out of the way. So, excuse me, first of all you get your base station, you get your keypad, you get a Simplicam, you get a monitor, and you get 3 entry point connections here, which are pretty cool. So you have to set them up in line. We're going to have a look at them first anyway. So, excuse me, we're going to start with the yard sign stake. So if you want to let people know there's a stake available to stick it up. So we will start with the base station. So this is where the magic will happen, and you plug it in and everything will connect like so. So we're going to open it up and have a look. So inside here we get the base station, which is, this is what it looks like here. Looks like one of these Google Homes, something like that, same effect. And you have some rubber padding on the bottom to stop it from moving. And this will be your siren up on top, and you would pull the tab to activate the batteries. So you get your power adapter then, which is pretty straightforward, micro USB. Next of all, you get a monitor. So we'll check this out first. So again, it just gives you some tips here. Look straight ahead and 90 degrees to left and right. Mount in a corner for maximum room coverage. So that's what it looks like there. And it comes pre-installed with some adhesive on the back, so you don't have to actually screw them in, which is excellent. The amount of cameras I have here, there's no more room for screws. So here is the remote control. So you can navigate your menu here, so we'll go through all that when we set it up and get it running. So pretty big remote as well. So that'll actually be placed on the wall at your door, so either existing alarm, wherever the case may be. So if you can't need to get access to it, or you can just keep it handy in the house. Same thing again, you have to activate. So you get the actual can place them in parts of the house that maybe not so secure. It's up to yourself, but overall it's a pretty good secure package, and we will have our full review in the coming weeks. And that's basically the whole setup there, and that's it. So we'll drop a link to what you can do or where you can buy it and what you can get on offer. There is offers there. You can get cloud storage as well, and you can check out the other options that are available from Simplisafe. So stay tuned for review coming soon at techbuzzone.com. We've got some more security cameras coming as well, and stay tuned for that as we're focusing a lot on security. As you probably noticed, there's a lot of cameras recently up on site, and stay tuned for more to come. See you in the next one.